Hey there, everyone. Welcome to your ultimate guide to understanding car insurance. We're about to dive into the sometimes confusing, often overlooked, but always important world of car insurance. Whether you're a new driver or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide is for you. Don't worry, I promise to make it fun. We'll break it down into easy-to-understand pieces, so you can feel confident about your coverage. Think of car insurance as that trusty sidekick you never want to leave home without. It's like having a superhero by your side, ready to jump in when you need it most. You know, like Dory to Marlin or Oprah to Gail. These dynamic duos are always there for each other, just like your car insurance should be for you. It's there to protect you when things get a little bumpy on the road of life. Accidents happen, and when they do, you'll be glad you have that safety net. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know about choosing the right car insurance for you. From understanding the basics to comparing different policies, we've got all the information you need. From why it's so important to the different types of coverage, we've got you covered, pun intended. We'll explore liability, collision, comprehensive, and more. So grab your driving gloves, or maybe just a comfy blanket. Settle in, and let's get this insurance party started. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to make informed decisions about your car insurance needs. All right, folks, let's talk about why car insurance is like that friend who always has your back. Imagine this, you're driving down the street singing along to your favorite tune when suddenly, bam, you get into an accident. Accidents happen, even to the best of us. And when they do, car insurance swoops in like a superhero to help cover the costs. We're talking medical bills, car repairs, you name it. Not having car insurance is like trying to parallel park in a phone booth. Not a good look. It's not only risky, but it's actually illegal in most places. So, do yourself a favor and get that insurance sorted. Your bank account and your peace of mind will thank you. Now that we know why car insurance is a must-have, let's figure out how much you actually need. This part depends on a few things, but the value of your car is a biggie. Think of it like this. Insuring a shiny new sports car is going to cost more than insuring your grandma's trusty station wagon. Why? Because if that sports car gets dinged, repairs are going to cost a pretty penny. Before you even start shopping for insurance, do a little research on your car's value. Websites like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds can give you a good estimate. Knowing your car's worth will help you determine how much coverage you need to be fully protected. All right, get ready for the main event. Understanding the different types of car insurance. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. First up, we've got liability insurance. This is the basic coverage that most states require. It helps pay for the other person's expenses if you're at fault in an accident. Think of it as the oops, my bad insurance. Next, we have comprehensive insurance. This is like the VIP coverage that protects your car from pretty much anything. Accidents, theft, vandalism, even natural disasters. It's like giving your car its own personal bodyguard. Okay, let's dive into some common scenarios you might face on the road and how different types of insurance coverage can protect you. Okay, let's put this insurance knowledge to the test. Imagine yourself in various driving situations and see how well prepared you are. Imagine this. You're driving home from the grocery store, a bag of chips in the passenger seat, no judgment. When you accidentally rear-end the car in front of you. It's a common scenario that can happen to anyone. If you have liability insurance, it would help cover the cost of repairs for the other car and any medical bills for the other driver. Liability insurance is essential because it protects you from the financial burden of causing damage to someone else's property or injuring another person. But what about your car? What happens to the damage your vehicle sustains in the accident? That's where comprehensive insurance comes in handy. Comprehensive insurance covers a wide range of incidents, including accidents, theft, and natural disasters. It ensures that your car is taken care of, no matter what happens. It would help cover the cost of fixing your bumper and any other damage to your car. This means you won't have to worry about paying out of pocket for expensive repairs, see? Car insurance scenarios don't have to be scary. With the right coverage, you can drive with confidence knowing that you're protected. Just think about the different situations you might encounter on the road and choose the coverage that gives you the most peace of mind. Whether it's liability, comprehensive, or another type of insurance, having the right protection can make all the difference in how you handle unexpected events. Now, don't forget these extras. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about some insurance extras that can be real lifesavers. These additional coverages can provide you with peace of mind and extra protection when you need it most. Think of these extras as the sprinkles on top of your insurance sundae. They add that extra layer of sweetness and security to your policy. First up, we've got roadside assistance. This service is invaluable for those unexpected moments when your car decides to give up on you. Imagine being stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire and a dead phone. Roadside assistance can be a real lifesaver in such situations. Roadside assistance can help with towing your car to the nearest repair shop, jump-starting a dead battery, and even delivering fuel if you run out. Another important extra to consider is rental car reimbursement. This coverage can be a game changer if your car is in the shop after an accident or a breakdown. When your car is being repaired, rental car reimbursement helps cover the cost of renting a car, so you can still get around without any hassle. It's like having a backup car on speed dial, ready to go whenever you need it. No more worrying about how you'll get to work or run errands. With these extras, you can drive with confidence, knowing that you're covered for those unexpected bumps in the road. So don't forget to add these valuable coverages to your policy. Section 7. Getting your insurance groove on tips and tricks. All right, my insurance gurus, now that you know the ins and outs of car insurance, let's talk about how to find the best deals. Because who doesn't love saving money? First things first, shop around. Don't just settle for the first insurance quote you get. Get quotes from several different companies and compare them side by side. You might be surprised at how much prices can vary. Another tip is to ask about discounts. Many insurance companies offer discounts for things like having a good driving record, being a student, or bundling your car insurance with other types of insurance, like homeowners or renters insurance. That's a wrap. And there you have it, folks. Your crash course in car insurance is officially complete. Give yourselves a round of applause. You just leveled up your insurance game. Remember, choosing the right car insurance is all about finding the coverage that fits your needs and your budget. Don't be afraid to ask questions, compare quotes, and find the insurance that gives you the most peace of mind on the road. Now, before you zoom off into the sunset, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Stay safe out there, everyone.